aside,
aside,
also,
also,
very,
very,
often,
often,
however,
however,
to,
usually,
really,
really,
never,
never,
always,
always,
sometimes,
sometimes,
together,
together,
there,
when,
how,
so,
even,
just,
much,
only,
well, then, where, why, now, none, once, down, apart, here, tonight, away, today, nearby, quite, later, yet, maybe, likely, simply, generally, instead, actually, again, rather, almost, especially, ever, quickly, probably, income, marriage, user, combination, failure, meaning, medicine, philosophy, teacher, communication, night, chemistry, disease, disk, energy, nation, road, roll, soup, advertising, location, success, addition, apartment, education, math, moment, painting, politics, attention, decision, event, property, shopping, student, wood, competition, distribution, entertainment, office, population, president, unit, category, cigarette, context, introduction, opportunity, performance, driver, who, whom, I, me, myself, you, yourself, he, him, himself, she, her, herself, it, itself, we, us,
us,
ourselves,
ourselves,
you,
you,
yourselves,
yourselves,
they, them,
them,
themselves,
themselves,
self,
self,
everyone,
everyone,
someone,
someone,
anyone,
anyone,
everybody,
everybody,
somebody,
somebody,
nobody,
nobody,
anybody,
anybody,
whose,
whose,
my,
my,
mine,
mine,
your,
your,
yours,
yours,
her,
her,
hers,
hers,
his,
his,
its,
its,
our, ours,
ours,
your,
your,
yours,
yours,
their,
their,
theirs,
theirs,
what,
what,
these,
these,
those,
those,
everything,
everything,
something,
something,
nothing,
nothing,
anything,
anything,
which,
which,
another,
another,
same,
same,
certain,
certain,
lot,
lot,
none,
none,
some,
some,
all, where,
where,
here,
here,
there,
there,
nowhere,
nowhere,
anywhere,
anywhere,
flight,
flight,
length,
length,
magazine,
magazine,
newspaper,
newspaper,
relationship,
relationship,
teaching,
teaching,
sell,
sell,
dealer,
dealer,
finding,
finding,
lake,
lake,
member,
member,
message,
message,
phone,
phone,
scene,
scene,
appearance,
appearance,
association,
association,
concept,
concept,
customer,
customer,
death,
death,
discussion,
discussion,
housing,
housing,
inflation,
inflation,
insurance,
insurance,
mood,
mood,
woman,
woman,
advice,
advice,
blood,
blood,
effort,
effort,
expression,
expression,
importance,
importance,
opinion,
opinion,
payment,
payment,
reality,
reality,
responsibility,
responsibility,
situation,
situation,
skill,
skill,
statement,
statement,
wealth,
wealth,
application,
application,
city,
city,
county,
county,
depth,
depth,
estate,
estate,
foundation,
foundation,
grandmother,
grandmother,
heart,
heart,
perspective,
perspective,
photo,
photo,
recipe,
recipe,
studio,
studio,
build,
build,
achieve,
achieve,
believe,
believe,
receive,
receive,
seem,
seem,
discuss,
discuss,
realize,
realize,
contain,
contain,
follow,
follow,
refer,
refer,
solve,
solve,
describe,
describe,
prefer,
prefer,
prevent,
prevent,
discover,
discover,
ensure,
ensure,
expect,
expect,
invest,
invest,
reduce,
reduce,
speak,
speak,
appear,
appear,
explain,
explain,
explore,
explore,
involve,
involve,
lose,
lose,
afford,
afford,
agree,
agree,
hear,
hear,
remain,
remain,
represent,
represent,
apply,
apply,
forget,
forget,
recommend,
recommend,
rely,
rely,
vary,
vary,
generate,
generate,
obtain,
obtain,
accept,
accept,
communicate,
communicate,
complain,
complain,
depend,
depend,
enter,
enter,
happen,
happen,
indicate,
indicate,
suggest,
suggest,
survive,
survive,
appreciate,
appreciate,
compare,
compare,
imagine,
imagine,
manage,
manage,